Across the planet, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds. Millions of animals, from tiny insects to gigantic whales, embark on incredible journeys. These migrations are some of the most awe-inspiring events in the natural world. They are a testament to the incredible instincts and resilience of these creatures. Imagine vast herds of wildebeest thundering across the African savanna, driven by an ancient instinct to find fresh grazing. Picture millions of monarch butterflies, their delicate wings carrying them thousands of miles to their wintering grounds. These are just two examples of the extraordinary journeys animals undertake each year. These migrations are not random wanderings. They are carefully orchestrated movements, timed to coincide with seasonal changes and the availability of vital resources. Animals migrate to find food, to breed, and to escape harsh weather conditions. In this exploration of animal migration, we will delve into the reasons behind these incredible journeys. We will uncover the secrets of how animals navigate vast distances and the challenges they face along the way. Join me as we celebrate the wonders of migration and its importance in the survival of so many species. Why do animals go to such extraordinary lengths, risking their lives on these epic journeys? The answer lies in one word: survival. Migration is an adaptation that allows animals to take advantage of resources that are only available seasonally. One of the primary drivers of migration is food. Animals need to follow the abundance of food sources, which often shift with the seasons. For example, many birds that breed in the Arctic tundra migrate south during the winter when food becomes scarce. Breeding is another crucial reason for migration. Many species travel vast distances to reach their breeding grounds, often areas with specific environmental conditions ideal for raising young. Salmon, for instance, migrate from the ocean back to the rivers where they were born to spawn. Climate also plays a significant role in animal migration. Many species migrate to escape extreme temperatures or harsh weather conditions. For example, some ungulates, like caribou, migrate from the Arctic tundra to warmer regions during the winter. Birds are perhaps the most iconic migrants, their journeys captivating our imaginations for centuries. Their ability to navigate across continents using the stars and the Earth's magnetic field is truly remarkable. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any animal. These small birds breed in the Arctic and then fly south to their Antarctic feeding grounds, covering an astonishing 44,000 miles each year. Other impressive avian migrants include the bar-tailed godwit, which can fly non-stop for over 7,000 miles, and the ruby-throated hummingbird, which weighs less than a nickel but flies over 500 miles across the Gulf of Mexico during its migration. These incredible feats of endurance demonstrate the power of natural selection. Birds that are better able to navigate, conserve energy and find food along their migration routes are more likely to survive and pass on their genes. Whales are another group of animals that undertake incredible migrations. These marine giants travel vast distances across the world's oceans, often following specific routes passed down through generations. Humpback whales, for example, breed in warm tropical waters and then migrate to colder, more productive feeding grounds near the poles. These journeys can span thousands of miles, and the whales rely on their thick blubber layer to stay warm in the frigid waters. Grey whales undertake one of the longest migrations of any mammal. They travel from their breeding grounds in warmer waters to their feeding grounds in the Arctic and Antarctic, covering a round trip of up to 12,000 miles. The reasons behind some whale migrations remain a mystery. Scientists are still learning about the factors that influence these journeys, such as changes in ocean currents, food availability, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Section 5. Fluttering jewels, the magical migration of monarch butterflies. The monarch butterfly migration is one of the most visually stunning natural phenomena on Earth. Millions of these delicate creatures undertake an extraordinary journey, traveling thousands of miles from their breeding grounds in North America to their wintering grounds in Mexico. What makes the monarch migration even more remarkable is that no single butterfly completes the entire journey. Instead, it takes several generations of monarchs to complete the annual cycle. The butterflies that arrive in Mexico are the great-great-grandchildren of the butterflies that left the previous spring. Scientists believe that monarchs use a combination of cues to navigate, including the sun's position, the Earth's magnetic field, and even the polarization of light. How these butterflies manage to navigate such vast distances with such precision remains a marvel of the natural world. Section 6. Following the Trail. How scientists study migration. For centuries, the mysteries of animal migration have captivated our imaginations. How do animals navigate such vast distances? How do they know when and where to go? Thanks to advances in technology, scientists are now able to unravel some of these mysteries. One of the most important tools for studying migration is tagging. Scientists can attach small, lightweight tags to animals to track their movements. These tags can transmit data on the animal's location, depth, temperature, and even heart rate, providing valuable insights into their behavior and physiology. Another important tool is genetics. By analyzing the DNA of different populations of animals, scientists can learn about their evolutionary history and migration patterns. For example, genetic studies have helped to reveal the multiple flyways used by monarch butterflies during their migration. Scientists also use radar to track the movements of migrating birds, and acoustic monitoring to study the calls of whales and other marine mammals. By combining these different approaches, scientists are gaining a more complete understanding of the complexities of animal migration. Section 7. Dangers on the journey. The perils of migration. While migration is essential for the survival of many species, it is not without its risks. Migrating animals face a gauntlet of dangers along their journeys, from predators to harsh weather conditions. Predators often lie in wait along migration routes, targeting the exhausted and vulnerable travelers. For example, migrating wildebeest must cross crocodile-infested rivers, while young birds are vulnerable to attack from hawks and other raptors. Weather can also pose a significant threat to migrating animals. Storms can blow birds off course, while extreme temperatures can be fatal. Climate change is exacerbating these risks, as it can alter the timing of migrations and create mismatches between the arrival of animals and the availability of food. Human activities also pose a growing threat to migrating animals. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation can disrupt migration routes and make it more difficult for animals to find food and shelter. Section 8. Adapting to survive. The evolutionary advantages of migration. Despite the risks, the benefits of migration clearly outweigh the costs. Over millions of years, natural selection has favored those individuals with traits that enhance their chances of survival and reproductive success during migration. Animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to cope with the challenges of migration. Birds have lightweight bodies and powerful flight muscles, while whales have streamlined bodies and thick blubber layers to conserve heat. Some animals have also evolved specialized navigational abilities. Sea turtles, for example, can sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it to navigate across vast distances. Birds use a combination of cues, including the stars, the sun, and the Earth's magnetic field, to find their way. These adaptations are a testament to the power of natural selection. By favoring those individuals with traits that enhance their chances of survival and reproduction, natural selection has shaped the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Section 9. Conclusion: a testament to nature's ingenuity. Animal migration is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of life on Earth. These journeys, often spanning thousands of miles and fraught with danger, are essential for the survival of countless species. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, animals migrate to find food, to breed, and to escape harsh weather conditions. As we learn more about the wonders of migration, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our planet. The journeys of these animals remind us that we are all part of a delicate web of life, and that the actions we take can have far-reaching consequences. By protecting migratory species and their habitats, we not only conserve biodiversity, but also safeguard the health of our planet. Let us all strive to be better stewards of the natural world and ensure that these incredible journeys continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.